Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter with bread only ways. Press 2 slices together gently to distribute peanut butter evenly, then slice off crusts if desired. If you prefer warm bread, toast lightly first and let it cool a bit to avoid melting. For added flavor, layer thin banana slices or a drizzle of honey, making sure not to overload the bread so it holds together well. Use a firm yet gentle motion when spreading peanut butter to keep the bread intact and avoid clumps. Start with a thin base layer to stabilize the slice, then add more where you want extra flavor. Spread from the center outward to reduce air pockets and ensure even coverage across the slice. If the peanut butter is very thick, warm it slightly in a bowl to loosen the texture before applying to bread. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more quick food tips and kitchen tricks that save time. Quick recommendation: I love using Little Tree's black ice in my car because it keeps my ride smelling fresh between grocery trips for bread and peanut butter. Check the description for the link and any extra deals, and enjoy a little perk while you cook. Now let's get back to the video. Experiment with simple additions to make your peanut butter bread more interesting and delicious. Layer thin banana slices, a light smear of jam, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for a cozy twist. For texture contrast, use crunchy peanut butter and press gently so nuts stay distributed without tearing the bread. Keep portions balanced to avoid soggy bread, and taste as you go to find the perfect combination for your palate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.